Big old burnt tree. It's huge. So we're on Humbug Mountain Trailhead. Christina was pretty nervous about it when we were first pulling up, and we've seen the mountain a couple times. What do you think?
I like it so far.
Okay, and I think we're probably, I'm not gonna say any kind of distance because then she's gonna get all frustrated when it's longer than that, which it always is. Buddy's loving it. That's a tall tree.
Whoa. Oh my god.
About a quarter mile away. How you feeling, Christina? So close. It's clearing up here. Look at all that beauty. This is amazing. Good job, Christina. I'm proud of you. She did very well. We freaking did it. Look at that beautiful ocean. I'm very surprised we get to see it, because the dude we talked to about this hike told us that it's just a bunch of forest around you and you can't see the ocean. Well, I don't think he went all the way to the top. But it's a beautiful surprise. 1 out of 10, Christina, how is this? 10? I think it's a damn 11. This is beautiful. Got it. So this is where we stayed for a week, down Elk River Road. There's 3 camping spots just up the river, but we really liked it here. The town of Port Orford is pretty cool. We've had this pretty cool way down to the river where I've done dishes and we've been swimming and showering and everything. Buddy's loved it here. Christina, 1 out of 10, what do you think about this place?
I give it a 9.5.
9.5?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd give it a 9 if there wasn't so many people going by, but if we went deeper, we wouldn't have that problem as much. But it was a pretty nice place. Off to California tonight.
Woo! California!
California
Yay.
dreaming.